Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, your go-to source for the latest two-wheeled machines from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into a much-anticipated comeback in the cruiser segment, the 2025 Honda VTX 1300. With an updated design, refined engineering, and a heart that still thumps with classic cruiser DNA, Honda's new VTX brings back the charm of the open road with modern upgrades that are hard to ignore. If you're into that clean muscle cruiser vibe, this is a bike that demands your attention. So let's roll into the details and see what makes this machine tick. Starting with the front, the VTX 1300 carries an unmistakable cruiser attitude. The wide forks now come with a more angular, sculpted look. LED lighting dominates the front cluster with a large, round headlamp that nods to classic cruiser style but with a modern edge. The front fender hugs the tire tightly, and everything feels muscular without being overdone. From the side, the 2025 VTX 1300 looks long, low, and grounded. It carries that traditional stretched-out cruiser silhouette but adds new layers of detail. The fuel tank has been reshaped slightly, is still teardrop-shaped but more contoured for improved rider grip and aesthetics. Chrome accents are tastefully applied across the engine casings, exhaust pipes, and mirrors, providing a contrast to the otherwise matte or metallic finishes available in new color schemes. The blacked-out variant especially gives it a more aggressive, stealth look that younger riders will love. Around the back, the bike stays faithful to its roots. A wide rear fender and chunky rear tire deliver that solid, planted look. Taillights are now full LED, integrated smoothly into the fender for a sleeker appearance. The twin exhausts finish off the rear with a slight upsweep that hints at power without breaking the VTX's calm, road-dominating presence. You also get a comfortable passenger seat with optional backrest add-ons available from Honda's accessories catalog. Underneath the bodywork lies the heart of the VTX, a 1312cc liquid-cooled V-twin that has been subtly refined for 2025. While the core layout is similar to the previous generation, Honda has introduced updated fuel mapping, improved thermal management, and a more efficient air intake system. The result is a smoother throttle response, better heat dissipation during long rides, and a marginal bump in mid-range torque. The engine produces around 74 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque, delivered low in the rev range, which is exactly what you want in a cruiser. This makes overtaking easy and highway cruising effortless. The 5-speed gearbox returns with crisp, positive shifts, and the clutch action feels lighter than before, likely thanks to new hydraulic assist enhancements. Riding through twisty backroads or simply cruising through the city, the VTX 1300 now feels more responsive without losing that relaxed character cruisers are known for. On the road, the suspension setup with conventional telescopic forks up front and twin shocks at the rear has been retuned for better comfort and control. It soaks up bumps without compromising on stability. The braking system, which includes a large front disc and rear disc setup with ABS, inspires confidence without being intrusive. Even at low speeds, the VTX feels balanced, which makes it surprisingly manageable for a bike of its size. Honda has priced the 2025 VTX 1300 competitively in its segment. In the US, the base model starts at around $11,999, which is impressive considering the features, engine displacement, and overall build quality. Premium color variants and accessory packages can push the price up by $1,000 to $1,500. Depending on your customization preferences. Compared to other cruisers in this category, the VTX offers a strong value proposition, especially for riders looking for reliability, heritage, and a dash of modern tech without overcomplicating things. So, what's the final word on the new 2025 Honda VTX 1300? It's a smartly updated cruiser that respects its legacy while embracing just enough modernity to stay relevant. It doesn't chase trends or try to be something it's not. Instead, it confidently delivers the classic cruiser experience: low-end torque, long-distance comfort, and undeniable street presence, all wrapped in a design that looks like it belongs both in a museum and in your garage. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser rider or someone looking to step into the segment for the first time, The VTX 1300 makes a compelling case for itself in 2025. It's not trying to be flashy or extreme, it's here to ride a pure, simple, and strong. Thanks for watching this review on Global Bike Buzz. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe,